Hi there! Before we start this video, please subscribe at ABC Learning Academy. Don't forget to click that notification bell below, like and share this video. Thank you! Arranging words in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is the order of the letter from A to Z. Remember, you must be familiar with the alphabet to be able to easily and correctly arrange words in alphabetical order. Let us review the uppercase letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, let's review the lowercase letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Arranging a group of words to the correct sequence of the letters in the alphabet is called alphabetizing. Here are the basic steps in alphabetizing words. Number 1. Look at the first letter of each word. Egg, car, ant. The word egg begins in letter E, while the word car begins in letter C. The word ant begins in letter A. Number 2. Find a word that begins with the first letter of the alphabet. Ask yourself, is there a word that begins with letter A? Yes, we have, and that is ant. It is the number 1. Number 3. Go to the next letter of the alphabet and keep on doing so until you have written all the words in alphabetical order. Egg, car, ant. Let us repeat. Is there a letter A? Yes, it is ant. Is there a letter B? No, we don't have. Now let's go to letter C. Is there a word that begins with letter C? Yes, it is car. That is the number 2. Is there letter D? No, we do not have letter D. How about letter E? Yes, we have, and that word is egg. Now, we already arranged the 3 words in alphabetical order: ant, car, egg. Now it's your turn. Get your paper and pencil and answer the following. Arrange the following in alphabetical order: frog, monkey, lion. Did you get the answers correctly? Great job!